Patta loves me. Better yet, Patta has love for all.
Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.
Oh, these ones came with a bracelet too. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. If you haven't, hit subscribe, hit like, because trust me, you're going to like this video. And it helps the channel, man. So please hit like, help this channel get up there with the big dogs. In my right hand, I have the Patta Air Max 1 Aqua Noise, I believe. Aqua Noise. And on my left, I have the Monarchs. Same sneaker, different color. The blue is sexy, man. The blue is sexy. So we're gonna get an in-depth review on the new Patta Air Max 1 Waves. Go check this video out if you want an in-depth review on these ones. Go check that video in the archives. Matter of fact, I'll probably put it right there. So hit that, and then you can come back to this one. But same sneaker, just a different color. But this color hits a little more for me, man. A little more. So we're going to get into an in-depth review of the latest one. Without further ado, hit the music.
Unboxing time.
Boom. So, just like the one that came out 2 weeks ago, we get the same box. Well, again, I'm not sure about the same box. Shout out to the person who commented on the orange-brown pair review and said that the reason why some of these people got these boxes and some didn't was because they ran out of boxes. You know, COVID is still messing up shipping on everything. So I'm still going to call this the special box, even though this is the original box, if you're lucky to get your order in early. So yeah, same box we got as the orange joints with familiar, Patta, Nike, love for all, Lobby Libby. And shout out to the guy who told me what Lobby Libby means on the other review too. Shout out for y'all for just commenting and helping your boy out, man. I appreciate it. Whether I get 1 comment, 10 comments, or 100, I appreciate it, and I answer to everyone. Boom. So yeah, that nice black box with your glossy print. And this pair also came with a bracelet, just like the other pair. So I was lucky to get the special box and a bracelet on both pairs. Patta loves me. Patta has love for all. And I think this bracelet is the same as the original one, but I don't remember if the original one had a blue Patta writing like this one. So yeah, same exact bracelet here. Both have the blue Patta. For some reason I was thinking that the other one had the orange brown color, but no, same as the bracelet. So yeah, when you flip open the lid, you get that same tissue paper with the, I want to say a black fist. I don't know what else it could be, but it has to be like a black fist. You get that same rough tissue paper, and voila, here go the shoes. Yes, sir. This blue and silver rendition is super dope, man. And I'm going to tell y'all a quick story after we get through with the review. But it comes with your same shoestrings as the original pair we seen. It's like the same tannish colorway of the sneaker. But more like I'm looking at this sneaker now, it reminds me of the blue tint Yeezys, because even the insole has like a little hint of blue, even though it's a creamy white. But when you hit the light, I don't know if y'all can really see it, like right here, you get like your blue tint look on your Yeezy 350s. I'm kind of mad I got rid of those. Those are 1 350s I'm mad I got rid of. So boom, you got your waves here. That is the name of the collaboration, Air Max 1 Paddle Waves. You got your waves there, and that's all it took for me to really, really like this sneaker. I think Air Max could have did this by themselves, but being that it's a collab, it makes it dope. You got your small swoosh there. One of my favorite designs on a sneaker is a small swoosh. As I told y'all, Sean Weatherspoon did it on his Air Max, and it made the sneaker pop, man. This inside mesh in the silver is so dope. It's even doper because silver and gray is known to clash with blue better than the orange brown that we seen on the original. So in my opinion, it makes this sneaker a lot better than the original because these colors actually blend. The Nubuck suede is so soft. Listen. You hear that? Softness, man. Nubuck suede is so soft. And you got that around your toes all the way up to the back. And that's where you got your Nike Air. Granted, all Air Max 1 have the Nike Air on the booty. But you gotta love the Nike Air on the booty, man. Dope, dope, dope. Up top, you got more of the mesh that you see in the toe box. And that Nubuck actually hits all the way up to the tongue, to the shoelace holders. I feel like this tongue is the same as the original, but I feel like this tongue's a little doper. Again, because of the color blocking. It's all because of the color blocking, man. So you got that nice blue pattern logo on the tongue. On a cream tongue, dripped in your gray shoelaces. As I told you, it comes with the original, I want to say like sail white, as you see at the bottom here. The shoelaces match that. But I would just keep the silver in my opinion. Let me know in that comment section below what y'all think. I like the gray, the what you would say, the low gray laces, man. I think it's a nice touch there. But I wouldn't be mad if you throw the sail white and then give it some nostalgia to the sneaker. It is an Air Max 1. Even your little swoosh here is dripped in that Nubuck, same soft material. Dope sneaker, man. Your soles read Patta way big. Big Patta logo on the inside. Now when I told you I had a quick story, when I brought these off the Patta website, when they dropped, I felt like the drop was too easy. Yes, it did have a question, and the question was Patta has love for, and the answer was all. I knew that because I watched the video on the website a couple days before, and that quote kept coming up. So this release was kind of easy to me. So after I won these, I saw pictures of these. And I'm like, that's why this was so easy, because these got to be the sought after ones. So these dropped last Friday, 7 a.m. I set my alarm, I got up, jumped on the laptop, and guess what? These didn't even have a question. It wasn't even a question for these. These were actually easier to cop than these. These were so easy to cop that I copped the shirt to go along with it. Again, go to the last review of these and you can check this out. I thought this was going to be harder. This was actually easier. A little mind reckoning when it tells you you're in line and there's 4 minutes left. Because for some reason, as soon as it gets to under 1 minute, that's when your size sell out. So I was lucky enough to get these. I love both pairs, man. But if I had to choose one, it would have to be the blue pair. And that's just my bias about blue. At one time, I had every Jordan 1 in a blue colorway. As y'all can see, I slimmed down, and I just stayed with the hype of royal blue ones. I sold my the UNC blues, the University blues, the Game Royal blues. I was like, this is just too much. This is a dope colorway, man. And I feel like if this one would have came out first, these sneakers would have been more hype. I think right now they're going for what, like 320, 340. I think I paid $240 for these. You know the shipping is a little expensive. They're coming from overseas, Pattas from overseas. It's not a US brand. So not bad with the resale if you're planning on copping these. Trust me, in hand, 10 times better, guys. 10 times better. So yeah, this is a review on the Air Max 1 Patta Waves Signal Blue or something blue. I can't remember right now. But yeah, man, dope sneaker. But don't sleep on these, man. This is a OG status colorway if you ask me. This is a straight to foot colorway if you ask me, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. I wasn't going to do it, but I have the Pond Green Jordan 3 review coming for y'all right after this one. So hit subscribe, hit the notification bell, everything them shoe-tubers say. Just do it for your boy, man. Everybody get rich.